Hi guys. I just got home from shopping. I went grocery shopping. I went to Kohl's and Michael's. That was it. That was enough for me. I wanted to come home. But I went to Kohl's. I got some good shopping done for my grandkids for Christmas. And then I went over to Michael's. I picked up a few things that I'm going to do another haul on. And then I went grocery shopping. And so I just thought I would show you tonight. We're going to have pork spare ribs. They're so easy to cook and so delicious if you cook them right. So the key here is just to cook them long and slow. So right now it is 3:15 and I will probably cook them for about 2.5 hours at 300 degrees, 325. And then I will put some barbecue sauce on them and cook them some more. So let me just tilt the camera down and show you what I'm going to do here. Alright, so here is our spare ribs. Just going to take them out of the package here. They usually fold them over a little bit, which they have. Okay, so I'm going to take my knife and I'm just going to cut it down the middle. I think I need my knife to get sharpened. Okay. I'm just going to simply put these in our baking pan. Let's look at this. Yeah, we got plenty of room. Alright. Wash my hands real quick. Okay, very simple. We're just going to take some garlic salt, sprinkle that all over the top of them. And some Lawry's seasoning salt. It looks like a lot of salt, but as it cooks down, it actually, it's not that strong. And I'm going to take 1 tumbler. I think this is a 16-ounce glass I'm going to use. It's a 16-ounce glass, and I just filled it with water. I actually don't need the whole thing, so I'm just going to throw the rest away. And then I'm just going to cover it with tin foil, and I'm going to bake it at 325 degrees for about 2.5 hours, and then I'll check on it. And with this water in here, it kind of steams it a little bit, and so it makes them super tender. So a lot of people just slap them on the barbecue, but then if you don't cook them for a long time, they're tough. So I'll be back, you guys, when I'm ready to add the barbecue sauce, okay? Okay, you guys, it's been exactly 2 hours since I put this in the oven. So I'm going to uncover it now. There's really not a lot of fat to this. It's just the water that I put in to the pan before we started cooking it to kind of help steam it. So we're going to drain that water out now. Well, there's some fat in there. But what fat there is, we're draining out right now. So we'll set this over to the side. And then we're just going to take any kind of barbecue sauce that you like, and we're going to pour it right over the top. And then we're going to leave it uncovered now. I'm going to take my brush here and just brush them out. I'm going to put them back into the oven and let them bake for another hour, okay? We are going to have some asparagus with this. And I think I have some leftover mashed potatoes from Thanksgiving that we're going to have with it as well. Alright, So I'll be back to show you when it's all done. Alright, you guys, well, here's the beautiful ribs. I cooked them for another 45 minutes uncovered with the barbecue sauce. I'm just going to cut down the middle here for you and show you. That little piece right there is because I tasted it. Alright, let me... Hello! It's going to be really hot, but I just want to show you guys that the meat literally just falls apart. And so it was basically almost 3 hours of baking in the oven. So tender, so delicious, and so easy. And if your house is cold like mine, and you run your oven for 3 hours, it helps warm up your house. So, alright guys, super easy to make pork spare ribs, barbecue style, in the oven. Nice and warm in the house. The kitchen's nice and toasty warm. My ribs are ready to eat. We're having leftover mashed potatoes and some asparagus with it. And you guys have a great day, and I'll see you back here tomorrow. Bye-bye.